Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix VLC player lagging and skipping when playing 4K or 1080p HD videos. Step 1, change video output module. Open VLC Media Player. Click on Tools, Preferences. At the bottom left, switch from Simple to All settings. In the left panel, click on Video. Expand the Output Modules section. Set the Video Output Module to Automatic. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 2, increase file caching. Open Tools again, and then click on Preferences. Select All at the bottom left. In the left panel, click on Input Codecs. Scroll down to File Caching MS under Advanced. If the value is 300, change it to 600. If the value is 500, change it to 1000. Click Save to apply the changes. Step 3, modify video codec settings. Open Tools and go to Preferences. Choose All to show advanced settings. In the left panel, click on Input/Codecs, then select Video Codecs. Find and select FFmpeg. Look for the thread setting and change it to 2. Go back to Video Codecs, find and select X264. Change number of reference frames to 3. Click Save to apply the settings. After applying these steps, you should be able to play 4K and 1080p videos without lag or stuttering. If this guide was helpful, feel free to leave a comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know if these steps worked for you.